Welcome to Stock Market Math. Today we're going to take a look at what you need to know before the market opens on July 1st, 2024. So let's start by rewinding the clock to see how things ended last week. Looks like this week we had more losses than we had gains. Starting off with the Dow Jones, we can see that on Friday we closed minus 45 with a minus 122 on the week. Looking at the S&P 500, not quite as bad, minus 22 on Friday. However, the week closed up pretty even at minus 3.7. Looking at the NASDAQ, we were down 126 points, giving us a total gain of 75.75 points for the week. With the first half of 2024 in the books, I've gone to FinVis to look to see how the market's done over the past 6 months. You can see that generally speaking, technology, communication services, and financial have done well. However, real estate and basic materials have done pretty poorly. If this is something you're interested in, there's a link in the description of the video. This week, we only have one S&P 500 company reporting earnings, and it will be Wednesday, July 3rd. The company is Constellation Brand Incorporated. If you're not familiar with Constellation Brands Incorporated, I've got the description from Seeking Alpha on the screen. You can pause the video and take a look. But basically, they produce and market alcohol and sell it in the United States, Mexico, New Zealand, and Italy. Their call will take place before the market opens on Wednesday. If we look at the previous quarter earnings, we can see that they beat on both earnings per share and total revenue. This quarter, they're projected to increase their earnings per share and total revenue by quite a bit, bringing us to $3.45 per share on a GAAP basis and $2.67 billion in total revenue. The Schwab ETF SCHD will be paying a quarterly dividend of 82 cents per share today. The ex-dividend date was last Wednesday, the 26th, and their dividend yield will be 3.66%. Cisco Systems Incorporated will be paying their quarterly dividend of 40 cents per share on July 24th. Their dividend yield is 3.38% with an ex-dividend date of July 5th. American Express will be paying their quarterly dividend of 70 cents per share on August 9th. Their ex-dividend date is July 7th, and their total dividend yield is 1.21%. JP Morgan Chase will be paying their quarterly dividend of $1.15 on July 31st. Ex-dividend date is July 5th with a dividend yield of 2.31%. Now let's take a look at our three hot stocks and cold stocks. Starting with third place for best performing stock of 2024, we have Eli Lilly Corporation. They're a pharmaceutical company with a share price of $905.38. They're up 14.67% so far this month, and over the past 6 months, they're up 55.87%. In second place, we have Taiwan Semiconductors Manufacturing. They design and manufacture circuit boards and semiconductors. Their share price is $173.81. So far this month, they're up $9.36, and over the past 6 months, they're up 66.01%. And the number one top performing company in 2024, NVIDIA Corporation. NVIDIA designs and manufactures computer video cards and the hardware used to run artificial intelligence. Their share price is $123.64 after their 10-to-1 split. In the last month, they're up 10.7%, and over the last 6 months, they're up 149.46%. Now, moving on to our three worst performers of 2023, we have in third place Johnson & Johnson. Their share price is $146.16, and over the last month, they've been up 0.1%. However, if we look at the 6 month, they're down 6.65%. And in second place, we have Adobe Incorporated. Adobe has a share price of $555.54. They're actually up 17.84% over the last month. However, their total at the 6 month is negative 6.71%. And the worst performing company we have in 2024 is Tesla Incorporated. Tesla's share price is $197.88, and over the past month, like Adobe, they're actually up quite a bit, 13.36%. However, if we look at their 6 month performance, we can see that they're down 21.84%. Looking at our fear versus greed index, we can see that when the market closed last Friday, we had a score of 46, which is just barely in the neutral sector. However, since then, we've dropped a couple of points and we're now at 44 in the fear zone, which is still better than what we were at a week ago with the score of 39, which put us much farther into the fear sector. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And remember, keep investing.